Rajua, why are you sad? Oh, is it because you don't know how to read this book? Your sister gave a very nice storybook, isn't it?
Yes. Can you help me?
Yes, of course, I can help you. But before that, do you know what is this?
Yes. It is the alphabets.
Yes. For reading a storybook, you have to know the pronunciations of the alphabets. So, let us learn the pronunciation of the all alphabets. Okay?
Okay.
Rajua, do you know which letter is this?
Yes, A.
Yes, it is the letter A. Now, let's pronounce the sound of letter A, okay?
Okay.
Ah,
Ah,
ah.
ah.
Can you say me a word that starts with the sound ah?
Apple.
Yes, apple starts with the sound ah. The next sound of letter A is A.
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 Now, can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Ape.
Yes. Ape starts with the sound A. Rajwa, what letter is this?
B.
Yes, this is the letter B. Now, let's pronounce it, okay?
Okay.
B,
B.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound B?
Okay. Ball.
Yes. Ball starts with the sound B. B. Rajwa, what letter is this?
C.
Yes, it is the letter C. Okay, now let's pronounce it. K,
K.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound K?
Car.
Yes. Car starts with the sound K. C has two sounds. Okay? So the next sound will be S.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Cycle.
Yes. Cycle starts with the sound S. S. Rajwa, do you know which is this letter?
D.
Yes, it is the letter D. Now let's pronounce it. D sounds like D.
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 Now can you say me a word that starts with the sound D?
Dog.
Yes, dog. The word dog starts with the sound D. Now what is this letter?
E.
Yes, it is the letter E. Now letter E has two sounds. First one sounds like this. A.
Ah.
A.
A.
Can you say me a word that starts with the sound A?
Elephant.
Yes. Elephant starts with the sound A. Second one sounds just like this. E.
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 Now, can you say me a word that starts with the sound E?
Evening.
Yes. Evening and eagle starts with the sound E. Rajwa, what is this letter?
F.
Yes, it is the letter F. Now, F sounds like this. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound?
Fish.
Yes, fish starts with the sound. What is this letter?
G.
Yes, it is the letter G. G has two sounds. First one sounds like this. G,
G.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound G?
Grass.
Yes. Grass starts with the sound G. The next one sounds like this. J. J.
J.
J.
J.
Can you say me a word that starts with the sound J?
Giraffe.
Yes. Giraffe starts with the sound J. 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 Giraffe. Now, what is this letter?
H.
Yes, it is the letter H. This H sounds like this. H. H. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound H?
Hat.
Yes, hat starts with the sound H. H.
H.
H. Hat. Now, can you guess what is this letter?
I.
Yes, it is the letter I. Now, letter I has two sounds. First one sounds like E.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound E?
Igloo.
Yes. Igloo starts with the sound E. E. The next one sounds like I.
I.
I. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound I?
Ice cream.
Yes. Don't you like ice cream? Of course. So, ice cream starts with the sound I.
I.
Ice cream. Now, what is this letter?
J.
Yes, it is the letter J. J sounds like this. J.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound J?
Jellyfish.
Yes, jellyfish starts with the sound J. 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 Jellyfish. Now, what is this letter?
K.
Yes, it is the letter K. K sounds like this. K. K. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound K?
Kite.
Yes. Don't you like flying kites?
Yes.
Yes. Kite starts with the sound K.
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 K. K. Kite.
K. K. Kite.
Can you say me which letter is this?
L.
Yes. It is the letter L. And L sounds like L.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound L?
Lemon.
Yes. Lemon. The sour lemon starts with the sound L.
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 Rajwa, what is this letter?
M.
Yes. This letter is the letter M. And it sounds like this. Mm.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound mm?
Monkey.
Yes. Monkey starts with the sound mm. 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 Monkey.
Mm. Mm. Monkey.
What is this letter?
N.
Yes, it is the letter N. Now N sounds like this. N.
Mm.
N.
Mm.
Can you say me a word that starts with the sound N?
Nut.
Yes. N. Nut. Now, what is this letter?
O.
Yes, it is the letter O. Now, O sounds like this. O.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound?
Orange.
Yes. Orange. What is this letter?
P.
Yes, this letter is the P. Now, how does it sound? P. P. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound?
Penguin.
Yes. Penguin. What is this letter?
Q.
Yes, this is the letter Q. Now Q sounds like qu. Qu. Can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Quiet.
Quiet. Yes, quiet starts with the sound qu. Qu. Now, what is this letter?
R.
Yes, this is the letter R. And R sounds like this. R. R. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound R?
Rose.
Yes, Ross starts with the sound R. Now, what is this letter?
S.
Yes, this is the letter S. And it sounds like Can you say me a word that starts with
Slime.
Yes. Sun and snake starts with the sound. Now, what is this letter?
T.
Yes, this is the letter T and it sounds like T. T. T.
T.
Okay, now can you say me a word that starts with T?
Tomato.
Yes, tomato starts with the sound T.
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 T. T. Tomato.
T. T. Tomato.
What is this letter?
U.
Yes, this is the letter U and it has two sounds. First one sounds like this. Can you say me a word that starts with the sound
Umbrella.
Yes, Umbrella starts with the sound A. The next one sounds like this. U.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Unicorn.
Yes. Unicorn starts with the sound U. 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 Unicorn. What is this letter?
V.
Yes. This letter is V. Now this sounds like V.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound V?
Van.
Yes. Van starts with the sound V.
V.
V. V. Van.
V. V. Van.
Now, Rajwa, what is this letter?
W.
Yes. This is the letter W. And it sounds like V.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Watermelon.
Yes. Watermelon. Now, which letter is this?
X.
Yes. This is the letter X and it sounds like X. Can you say me a word that starts with
Xylophone.
yes. Xylophone starts with the sound. Which letter is this?
Y.
Yes. This is the letter Y and sounds like Y.
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 Can you say me a word that starts with the sound Y?
Yucky.
Yes. Yucky and yuck starts with the sound Y. Y. Yucky.
Yucky.
Yuck. What is this letter?
Z.
Yes. This is the letter Z and sounds like
Z.
Can you say me a word that starts with this sound?
Zebra.
Yes. Zebra starts with the sound Z. Zebra.
Zebra.
Now, Rajwa, you have practiced the sound and pronunciation of all the alphabets. And if you read more, practice more, you will be able to read any storybook. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.